Little baby chickens. Little baby chickens over there. Alright, go see them. You wanna go see the chickens? Yeah, we're gonna go to the left. Look, this way is the left. But if you look this way, it's the right. Look, what's over here, Vasu? What's over here? It's a compost pile. You didn't see compost? Come on. Dun, 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 dun. All right. See? This is called a compost stack. And basically what it is just rotting vegetation that helps to amend the soil. Look, the kitty is a funny kitty. Our kitty is named Lulz, and he's a wild one. He got attacked by a dog a while back and had to get a lot of stitches because he was hurt so bad. So he has a bandage on all the time. You can see him up close? But he is the best cat in the whole entire world. I'll tell you what. He's a great kitty. And he's super funny. And also super soft. Alright, but so what are we going to do? Wow, look at the size of this leaf. Whoa. Look, I'm a big guy. I'm an adult. Look at this. Look how big that leaf is. You know why that is? I bet that doesn't look like a leaf near your guys' home. Because here, this place is called Hawaii. And we live on the big island of Hawaii. And guess what, everyone? We're gonna get raw land out here. Oh, the camera wasn't quite open all the way. Whoopsies. We're gonna get raw land out here. And we have about 15,000 seeds. Oh, what's that? Oh, he's looking over across at the neighbor's property. Well, we don't want to bother them. Let's keep going on our walk. Wow, Vasu, what's this? What's this called? Vasu, look. Look at these leaves. Wow, Vasu, look at these leaves. Do you know what kind of plant this is? This plant grows all around the world and makes a very, very good drink that adults like to have. Kids can't have it because it has something called caffeine in it. Now, This is just beautiful. Now, when these turn red, then you can pick them. And they're delicious. You can even eat them raw, just right off the bush. Now, right now, what color are these? These coffee beans. The color is green. Do you know what else is green? The leaves on this branch. All right, look how far. Vesu got ahead. Oh, the kitty's sprinting. Let's go catch up with him. He's a quick one. Oopsie. Y'all right? Uh-oh. Is it broke? Come on. Let's go. Oh, look at this plant. It has wide, long leaves. And it grows straight from the ground. Do you see? Look, someone took a little bit of this plant. Because do you know why? Because this plant is called ginger. Oh, what do you have there, Vesu? Do you know what this is? First of all, it's made of metal. And it's kind of like a cage. Do you know what it's used for? All sorts of stuff. Fencing, trellising. What is this? Oh yeah? Right. Oh no, it's starting to rain a little bit. We don't want to get the camera too wet. I better cover it up. Alright. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. We got our boots on in case there's any puddles. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Did you find a little piece of garbage? It had some dirt and rocks in it, didn't it? Ick. Well, I'll throw it away for now, but we're going to come back and pick it up and put it in the trash. You got to bring a trash bag out here. We don't want trash. Is that a kitty cat? Yeah. This kitty's named Lulz. Wow. Oh no. Vesu, do you want to go this way? No? You want to go this way? Which way? This way? Let's go. Let's go. Hop. Oh wow, everybody. Here's a very cool find. Look at this flower in here. Wow, everybody, look at this find. Look at this flower in here. What a great orange flower. Also, what is this called? A banana tree. And it has green bananas right now, but they're looking pretty plump. Oh no, run! Wow, look at this, everyone. This is a black wall. And it's also a pillar. Do you see these lava rocks? These come when a volcano happens. Oh no, don't be scared, Vesu. It's just the sound of a big truck. A big truck. Wait for what? Yeah, come on, let's go first. Whoa! Look over here. Look at this plant. This is a wild plant, isn't it, everyone? This is way bigger than my hand. And look up there. Look. Look, Vesu. Beautiful flowers. But let's go, because we're in a little bit too deep over here. Alright, go on. Good job. It's a beautiful flower. Head on up the road. This one is falling off the tree. It doesn't show us the